Mr. Maria, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, members of the media. I feel very privileged to be here this evening at the launch of this book, Quantum Siege, written by another eminent police officer, Brijesh Singh Ji. I was discussing this with my dear friend, Mr. Pasricha, also a dear friend and has lent a lot of service to the police force. And Mr. Maria too was mentioning how every time there's a book launch from the police force, one or the other member of my family is there to launch it. And this is indeed something unique, and I feel very proud. We always want to associate the police force with the law and order and dealing with the situation that deals with law and order in a city or in a state. But how wonderful to see officers writing books. Books have become almost something that people don't indulge in these days. With the laptop and the computers, most of us go to the internet. But I still feel that a book is a very valued possession. And I haven't read the book. I've just glanced through it, and I will get to read it. But I'm sure that much of the story must have been inspired by many of the incidents that Brijesh Singh Ji may have gone through in his own life as an officer. And to convert that into some kind of a fiction, which is going to be read by many and admired, that is indeed extremely laudable. Once again, many congratulations to you, sir, and to all members of the media and the friends who have come here to welcome him, all my good wishes, and from my family as well. Thank you.
अमित जी, इस मौके पर मैं आपके पिताजी हरिवंश राय बच्चन साहब की कुछ पंक्तियां हैं, मैं उनको कहना चाहूँगा। उनकी कुछ पंक्तियां कुछ ऐसे थी, यहाँ पे सब कुछ बिकता है दोस्तों ज़रा रहना संभाल के, बेचने वाले हवा भी बेचते हैं गुब्बारों में डाल के, सच बिकता है झूठ बिकता है, बिकती है हर कहानी, 3 लोगों में फैला है फिर भी बोतल में बिकता है पानी। उसके आगे एक लाइन कुछ ऐसे हैं, कभी फूलों की तरह मत जीना, जिस दिन खिलोगे टूट के बिखर जाओगे, जीना है तो पत्थर की तरह जियो, जिस दिन तराशे गए खुदा बन जाओगे। आई थिंक ये लाइन शायद आपके लिए लिखी गई थी, और आज आप बॉलीवुड के देवता हैं, तो आप कितने इंस्पायर्ड थे इन लाइन से?
मेरे ख्याल से ये लाइन्स तब लिखी गई थी जब मैं पैदा नहीं हुआ था। पैदा होने के बाद ऐसा कुछ उन्होंने मेरे लिए लिखा नहीं। लेकिन मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि बाबूजी ने जो कुछ भी लिखा है वो समाज को मद्देनज़र रख के लिखा है, और किसी ख़ास व्यक्ति विशेष के लिए नहीं। हालांकि जो शब्द आपने अभी कहे कविता के, वो सबके लिए लाजमी है, और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि हमारे देश के जितने भी लोग हैं वो इससे प्रभावित हो और वो प्रोत्साहित हो इन शब्दों से।
I think the first and the last. The first chapter and the last chapter. They are the most terrifying. I told you in 3 lines that world events bring terror, threat to home. Things at home threaten the existence of the world. And the last fight is between human and non-human.
To know more about your favorite superstars, subscribe to Bollywood Wala now and hit like if you like this story.